In this video, we will learn how to enable private browsing in Safari on iOS. So let's begin. So the private browser mode or the incognito mode on Safari is really useful because it helps you to surf to your internet without saving the history or cookies or any other data that you are going to surf on your internet. In some of the cases, you might need to have this incognito or private mode turned on your Safari on iPhone. So the process to turn on this incognito or private mode is really simple. For that, what you need to do is just go and open your Safari browser. Once you open your Safari browser, what you need to do is just go and tap on this two squares at the right bottom corner. Once you tap on it, you could see the private tab. Tap on it, private, and now tap on this plus icon in the middle. So here we are. So you can see the private mode is turned on. But what you need to do is you need to understand how to turn it off as well. So if you surf here something like you go to the Google and now you close it like this one. And once again, if you open it, you could see the website is already there. So you need to close it as well. So once you have surfed your internet on your private mode on Safari, what you need to do is in order to close it, just go and tap on these squares, two squares at the bottom. Close your tab by tapping on this close icon at the left top corner. Now tap on this private again, and now the private mode is turned off. So here we are in the normal mode. Hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.